In this tutorial, you are going to learn how to activate two-factor authentication in Telegram. First of all, you need to click on the three bars on top of your account or the app. You need to go to settings. You need to go to privacy and security. And then you'll see two-step verification. Right now it is off. I need to turn it on. I'll set password. Please make sure that your Telegram account, your password is unique. And no one can guess the password. I'll go to this and then I'll put a recovery email. And then some codes will be sent to my email. Let me go to my Gmail account and check it. Here it is. I have my code here in my Gmail. It has been sent by Telegram. I need to copy it. Then go back to Telegram and paste it. Okay, password is set. The password will be required when you log in into a new device in addition to the code you will get in the SMS. Return to settings and okay, you can see that two-step verification is on, and that is how you that is how you enable two-factor authentication in Telegram. Follow us for more productivity tips and tutorials.